Now friends, exercise 2.3, it's question number 4. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, question and the remainder where x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively, find gx. Friends, dividend x p of x is equal x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, quotient qx is equal x minus 2 x minus 2 and remainder g of x is equal minus 2x plus 4. Now we know that p of x is equal g of x into remainder rx. We have to find the value of g of x. P of x is equal g of x into q of x plus r of x. In place of p of x, we write x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, g of x as it is, q of x, the quotient is x minus 2 and r of x minus 2x plus. Now friends, here we have to find the value of g of x. First, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, ये दोनों के बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. फर्स्ट वी टेक दिस टू टर्म दिस साइड, प्लस 2x minus 4 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. So here to simplify, x cube minus 3x square, ये दोनों का सिंप्लीफाई होगा प्लस 3x प्लस 2 and minus 4 minus 2, here g of x. This x minus 2 we can take in denominator, x minus 2. Now to find g of x, we do the long division method. Once again I explain here, p of x is equal g of x into q of x plus r of x. The value of p of x, g of x as it is, q of x x minus 2. In place of r of x, minus 2x plus 4. This minus 2x come here became plus, this plus 4 come here minus. G of x and x minus 2 as it is. Do simplify, x cube minus 3x square, हम x x वालों का सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, बड़े का साइन, सिमिलर में एडिशन, साइन ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर, सिमिलर में एडिशन, 2 plus 1 3x. ये दोनों का सिंप्लीफाई, कांस्टेंट टर्म, बड़े के आगे माइनस, बड़े का साइन, डिफरेंट साइन, डू सब्ट्रैक्शन, 4 minus 2 2. सो पहले साइन करना है, उसके बाद सिंप्लीफाई करना है. नाउ वी डू लॉन्ग डिवीजन हियर. x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divide x by 2. First term divided by first term. X x x, we write here x x x square. So what is remaining? X square. What is remaining? X square. X square into x, x cube. X square into minus 2 minus 2x square. Change the sign here. Minus plus. This term will be cut. 3 के आगे minus 2 के आगे plus minus x square. We write here plus 3x. First term divided by first term, minus xx upon x x square. Here is remaining minus x. Minus x into x, minus x square. Minus into minus, plus 2x. Here we write plus, minus, this x square minus and this x square plus, so it will be called here 3 plus and 2 minus, write the sign of the greater number, different sign, do subtraction 1x, 3 में से 2 जाएगा तो 1x. We take this minus 2 here. First term divided by first term, x divided by x, what is remaining? 1. This one we write here. 1 into x plus x, 1 into minus 2, minus and plus, cut, 0, 0. So, our g of x is equal x square minus x plus. So, this is our answer. It's very easy and very simple, friends. Enjoy this sum. Thank you very much.